Imagine, you're sitting, textbook open, highlighter in hand, and 47 minutes later, you've highlighted everything except the will to live. Meanwhile, some nerd in your class blinks once and memorizes the entire periodic table. What are they on? Caffeine? Crystals? Or black magic? Nah. They just know how to study like it's a freaking heist. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to study so fast that it feels illegal. Let's start by roasting your current study system, shall we? Step 1, open YouTube for Study with Me video. Step 2, organize desk for 25 minutes. Step 3, make aesthetic notes you'll never read again. Step 4, cry. You're not stupid, your system is. No one told you the truth. Studying is not about being organized, it's about hacking how your brain actually works when it's panicked, tired, or distracted. Let's get into the illegal stuff, not actually illegal, but your grades will look suspiciously good. 1. The blur and burn method. Read the material fast, like you're skimming gossip about your ex. Then immediately recall out loud what you remember. Your brain doesn't store info through repetition, it stores it through retrieval. So stop rereading the same paragraph like it's gonna change. 2. The 20 to 5 heist timer. Study for 20 minutes, break for 5. But I lose momentum. Shut up, no you don't. That's your lizard brain talking. 3. The sticky brain principle. If it's boring, your brain deletes it. If it's weird, emotional, or hilarious, it sticks. So when memorizing something hard, do this: make it a story, make it weird, and make it personal. Okay, so you've got the techniques, why aren't you doing them? Because studying isn't hard. Starting is. Every time you sit down, your brain goes, but what if we fail? What if we're wasting our time? And so, you open Instagram or go clean your closet. The truth? You're not lazy, you're scared. Here's the simplest trick that saved me. Set a 2-minute timer and just begin. No goals, no pressure. Just open the book. 90% of the pain is in the anticipation. Once you start, momentum does the rest. You don't need motivation, you need less fear. Studying isn't about working harder, it's about tricking your brain into cooperating for once. If you've ever stared at a page and felt like you were reading ancient Greek, just know you're not broken. Your approach is. So if this helped even a little, hit that subscribe button. I've got more brain hacks coming that way. Until next time. Study like it's a heist.